Good evening, my YouTube friends and family. This is Brian Kelly, and I'm reporting to you from my home office here in Garner, North Carolina. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how the day went today. Today is October the 13th, 2020. And today was a pretty good day. It's a little choppy, but it's still fine. As you can see in the corner here, we are trading the ES 1220, which means the E-mini S&P 500 with the December 2020 contract. Also, as you can see, this is a 3-minute chart. And that means for each one of these vertical bars, every time another bar is created, that takes 3 minutes. So each bar is 3 minutes long, okay? The bottom here shows different times, like starting at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. That's the time that the market opens in New York, and then the end time is around 16:15, 4:15 Eastern Time. Along the side here, you can see the prices. So this is the real deal. This is a real chart of today, how things actually happened, and I won't go into any great details, but about how the system works. But I will tell you that just looking at this chart right here, if you know how the system works, okay, then this chart is a literal gold mine for you. It really is, because there's a lot of really good moves here that you could have profited on dramatically. Okay, my course teaches you to take 3 trades and then shut it down for the next day. You will, if you're trading just one contract, which I recommend you start out with, you're gonna gross $62.50 for one contract. But as you go on and get more experience, of course, you can scale. That means you can, ramp up your number of contracts. Instead of trading one, you trade 2 or 3 or 5 or 10 or 20 or 100. And you're going to be trading not longer, but the same amount of time. The only difference is you're going to be trading more contracts, and then that allows you to make more money. Okay. Now, if you just go into trading not knowing what you're doing, you will probably lose your account, lose all your money. That's something that you don't want to do. And so, what I offer here is a course that it doesn't make any difference whether you are a experienced trader or a new trader. As a matter of fact, I recommend if you're new, that's even better. If you don't know anything about this trading at all, that's even better, because you don't have to forget old habits. You'll learn how to trade right from the get-go. My course is very basic, very simple, but yet it's very powerful. Okay. One thing I wanted to put in place when I made this course is the fact that it's safe. Okay. I don't recommend that you trade all day. Like I said, I want you to do 3 trades and then shut it down. For small amounts, not staying in the market all day and trying to conquer the market, because you don't want to do that, because that's a recipe for disaster. Okay, to be honest with you. So what I teach is a very safe, conservative way, yet very powerful. And it's something that you can actually learn. Okay, this is something that you can actually learn. It makes no difference who you are, what your experience is. My course is easy, and it's very easy to learn this process. But you've got to take the initiative. You got to learn it. What I recommend you do is, once you get the course, look it over, begin to do some of the things it tells you to do, get your account set up. I have videos to explain exactly how to do that. I put you in contact with brokers and so forth and all that good stuff. Then you want to start trading on a demo account, and do that for a week or so until you start feeling comfortable. Then you want to get into trading your own money, or you can use the Top Step Trader option that will allow you to use another company's money, and they'll pay you 80% for whatever you earn. So that's a good way to do it as well. And then as you gain more experience, then you can start scaling up from one contract to 2 contracts to 3 to 5 to 10, all the way up. And again, you're trading not all day, not for a long time, the same amount of time as you would trade one contract. The only difference is you might be trading 10 or 15 the same amount of time, but the money that you can make is like, almost like tenfold, basically. Okay. So that's basically it. This is a really simple system, like I said, and it's a way that you can make money, consistent money. This market is never going to go out of business. It's always going to be here. It's a backbone of the world economy. It's not like some MLM company that sells vitamins and potions and lotions, overpriced. Though those things are kind of here today and gone tomorrow. This is something that's stable. If you're looking for something that's really stable, something that you can actually learn, a very good skill set that you can learn, that you can use for the rest of your life, and not have to worry about paying your bills, not have to worry about not having enough money to do certain things or go on vacation or pay for your kids' education. This is something that you definitely need to look at and to learn. Okay, I'm not saying this is there's a very very small learning curve, but you got to learn it. You got to take the initiative to actually learn this process. And once you do, let me tell you, once you do, then this will allow you, I'm not exaggerating here, this will allow you to literally make as much money as you want to. I really do mean that. I'm not exaggerating the least bit. Okay, because the sky is the limit when it comes to this type of trading, this kind of type of program. Okay, so anyway, I just want to do this really quick video to let you guys know what this is all about. What I'll do is I will leave the website that you can go to. The website is actually a 20-minute YouTube video that'll kind of give you more information as to what this is all about, and then you can take a look at it and see how you can proceed forward with this. But like I said, this is a really good program. This is something that you don't have to do any selling or recruiting or calling your friends and family and that sort of thing. Who wants to do that? That gets really, really old. Who wants to send out flyers and postcards and to millions of people and not get a response back? You're looking to actually make money. When you're in those type of programs, they're okay, but you can't just continue to send stuff out and not get a response because you're spending money that you don't even have. Okay, but with this here, you're learning a skill. You are trading. There's a very specific way that I teach, very very low risk, very safe way to trade that I actually teach you how to do, and you will become a professional trader. When you talk to your friends and your family, they say, they ask you what you do, you say you're a professional trader, and you're making money. You're sitting at your computer for an hour or so a day at the very most. I normally take probably, for me, it's like 45 minutes to an hour per day to do my stuff, and then for the rest of the day, I'm done. I can do whatever I want to do, and in that period of time, you can make an absolute fortune. You really can. So, but again, you've got to get the proper training, because if you don't, then you lose your shirt. So you don't want to do that. Okay. So anyway, hope you guys have a great evening, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.